Ready to dive into a winter wonderland? Join me as I travel through Korea in the winter season, when the streets are adorned with gorgeous Christmas decorations, affordable food warm your soul, and hidden gems like Mangwon market and comfortable cafés make every day feel like a holiday trip. From dazzling lights to delectable treats, this is your definitive guide to a Korean vacation. Seoul during Christmas? It is a visual feast. The city transforms into a winter paradise, complete with glittering skyscrapers and sparkling streams.
Yeah, just so I can see the slim back.
타이완.
타이완 이름이
우와.
여기 저기 깔짝거리는
Seoul Sky, the crown jewel of the iconic Lotte World Tower. As South Korea's tallest building and one of the highest observation decks in the world, is your ticket to breathtaking views and unforgettable moments. Located on the 117th to 123rd floors, Seoul Sky offers panoramic views of the bustling city below, the winding Han River, and even distant mountains on clear days. It's like standing on top of the world.
한국의 중심, 서울의 아름다운 전경과 랜드마크를 즐겨보세요. 한국의 하늘이 새로운 세상에 오신 걸 환영합니다. Welcome to a whole new world in the sky. 롯데월드 타워와 함께하는 빛의 하늘을 감상하시겠습니다. 광화문, 남대문, 동대문 디지털 플라자 등 전통과 현대가 어우러진 아름다운 서울이 빛의
Lights. Seoul, a modern city with deep tradition, such as Gwanghwamun, Namdaemun, and
Seoul's winter is the perfect time to indulge in hearty and soul-warming comfort food. Ginseng chicken soup, shabu shabu, delights with thinly sliced meat and fresh vegetables, cooked in a bubbling broth right at your table. Korean dumplings, filled with meat or vegetables, are steamed and comforting kalguksu, bring a rich, flavorful warmth to cold days, making every bite feel like a cozy hug. Famous for its real Korean ginseng chicken soup, Honbang Samjitang is situated in the bustling Gangnam district of Seoul at 342 Gangnam-dero. Less than 5 minutes walk from Toyokoin Hotel in Gangnam. This welcoming restaurant serves delicious ginseng chicken with a bottle of Chinese wine. Honbang Samjitang is a must-visit location for everyone looking for a tasty and healthful dining experience in Seoul. It is ideal for enhancing energy and warming the soul. Most importantly, mostly locals and not tourists patronize this restaurant. Definitely not a tourist trap. Eating a hot pot in winter in Korea is a cozy, heartwarming experience. As the cold air bites, sitting around a bubbling pot of broth filled with fresh vegetables, tender meats, and savory spices brings comfort and warmth. We had a simple hot pot lunch at Hyundai Department DQ City Basement Level 2. It costs 901 per person. You can choose spicy or non-spicy soup, and noodles or porridge to add to the soup. Gwangjang Market gets all the hype, but let me tell you about Seoul's true hidden gem, Mangwon Market. Unlike the tourist-heavy Gwangjang, head to Mangwon Market. It's authentic, it's vibrant, and it's 100% worth the trip. Mangwon Market, located in Seoul's Mapogu district near Mangwon Station, Line 6, is a traditional Korean marketplace offering a vibrant mix of fresh produce, street food, and household goods. Unlike more tourist-centric markets, Mangwon Market retains a local charm, providing an authentic glimpse into daily Korean life. Operating daily, from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., Mangwon Market is easily accessible via a short walk from Mangwon Station. If you're looking for cheap and delicious food, you can head to the 24-hour kimbap, rice roll, dumplings and ramyeon store near Toyoko in Gangnam Hotel. Our winter adventure in Seoul ends on a high note with the electrifying K-pop dance performances in Hongdae. The vibrant energy, incredible talent, and lively atmosphere made for an unforgettable farewell. If you enjoyed exploring Seoul with us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel adventures. See you in the next one.
Love,